I see beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. You touch my heart so deeply, and I can't thank God enough for all the beautiful days with you. I feel beautiful ways of loving you. Everything is just so wonderful.
Good day, mates! Joke. Happy Mother's Day.
Everything is just so beautiful.
Hi, Nay. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much for everything. Once again, Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa tanan-tanan na imong gibuhat. Dili lang para nako, dili pati pod sa ako mga igagaw, mga igsuon. Salamat sa tanan-tanan. Wala ni karon kung asa mi. Dili tungod nimo or ninyo ni Tatay Duha. Salamat kaayo sa tanan-tanan. Again, Happy Mother's Day. Have fun. Tanang ko, and ay nay, I miss you.